4, 3, 2, 1. All sweep the burn.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are on our way to, we're in eastern Texas, and we're driving to see family. We've been in Texas for almost a month now. And how's the weather been, Ted?
Well, we've had about 28 days of rain, a lot of lightning, thunderstorms. So it's been hard to see a lot of stuff. We've seen a lot of lakes and rivers, but the majority of them we weren't really able to get out and get on it. The weather was so bad.
Waffle House in Galveston.
After dragging a ways in the rain and the wind,
Stuck in the mud.
getting stuck in the mud when we finally got here.
Over here.
Yeah, we're
Hey guys, talk to you later.
But we've seen a lot of cool places in Texas.
Take a look at where you've been and how you've come so far. No matter where you find yourself, you're always where you are. Go anywhere you go, do anything you do, I'll be with you. Take a moment, take an hour, take another year. Start again or keep going, I'll always be right here. Feel anything you feel, hear anything you hear, you'll never disappear. When it feels like you're walking back.
We are on a ride through Caddo Lake, right?
All right, welcome to Caddo, second largest naturally formed lake in the south and the only one in Texas. The largest bald cypress forest. Normally we'd be 4 feet of water, 4.5. Everywhere we're going to go normally would be 4.5, 5 feet deep, sometimes 5.5. The big lake becomes, it's all 5 feet as far as you can see. 14 miles long. Now when you get out towards Louisiana, 5 foot water, 5.5, or 6 foot water, 6.5. There's about a couple of thousand acres out there that's 7, 8 feet deep. So at one point in time, this is a bowl swamp. All the water was out there and everything flowed into the swamp-long tributaries that we primarily know today as Big Cypress, Little Cypress, Black Cypress bayous. On this side of the lake, through what's called James Bayou on the north end. All the headwater for the lake is 2,200 square miles of northeast Texas. Everything flows out through what we call 12 Mile Bayou that runs directly into the Red River right beside the northernmost casino boat in downtown Shreveport. So the only time you'd have waters in the savannas here would be during high water season or flood season. And that's what gave the trees enough time to grow and mature. These are normally islands. 2.5 feet of water, they're all covered right now. But when it goes down, there'll be all kinds of wild animals on it.
We are at Lake Galveston, right near the ocean, parked on the bay. It's been raining for a couple of days, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but the rain is coming down pretty hard. This is our front door view. Here's the rain, it's hitting our roof. It sounds like a tin can in here. Wants to sit. We can close it up and show you. He is sitting on the dashboard in the driver's seat. Just watching. He likes to watch from right there. To Shreveport, and we'll hope to bring you some videos from there. But
Hello.
Hi. Live to you from East Texas. We are talking about the 3 best things about East Texas and what you should know about the locals. Our best places to
The
go.
Shreveport Waterworks.
Dangerfield State Park is cool.
The Great Balloon Race that's coming up in 2 weeks. Yeah.
Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do.
And the swimming is great too.
I need to get some.
Yeah, because of the crocodiles.
Or the alligators.
They're all friendly.
They're all friendly here in
Reptile
Texas.
things with big teeth.
And the weather's great. You don't even need air conditioning.
Except you have to sweat a lot and get bitten by mosquitoes, right? Bucky's. You
Buc-ee's.
The Buc-ee's, yes, in Terrell.
Yeah.
I think it's in Terrell. That's a good place to get the beaver nuggets.
Yes.
The beaver knife?
Beaver nuggets.
The beaver nice. And the arboretum here, I have to say, is primo.
Okay.
And I have a niece that told me that that was the best place because she volunteered there.
Me and planted plants.
And planted plants, and they're gorgeous. And we took pictures of lots of them. So.
She got the nickname of Killer while she was doing it.
I didn't do anything I tried.
I know, right?
Find the moment and make it.
And Sean and Jane, hi. Everyone say hi.
Hello, Sean.
Hi, Jane.
Feeling
Hello, Harley.
Hi, Jim.
Hi, dear.
Yeah. And anybody else have any great tips that we learned in Texas? Other than it rains a lot here.
And it snows.
Unusual.
Yeah, and make sure if you go swimming in someone's pool that you check for the
Check the water mark.
Look at the
Water
skimmer.
moccasins.
in the skimmer.
Look in the skimmer. Okay, those are great tips for everyone.
Find the moment and make it.
Thanks so much, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, we'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Jack has found a new friend. Really got a video of him. Hey. Jack and his new friend Lulu, huh?